Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to use Lendingclub's calculator for retirement planning. Retirement may feel distant, but planning early ensures long-term security. Lendingclub provides financial calculators that help you to estimate how much you're going to need and how to get there. Start by accessing the retirement calculator from your Lendingclub dashboard. Input details like your age, desired retirement age, current saving balance, and how much you can contribute monthly. You can also adjust expected investment growth rates to reflect conservative or aggressive assumptions. Once the data is entered, the calculator will project how your savings could grow over time. It highlights whether you're on track or if you need to increase contributions. You can also experiment with scenarios. For example, what happens if you retire 5 years earlier or if you boost monthly savings by 10%. The calculator pairs well with Lendingclub savings accounts and investment options. By linking projected contributions directly to your account, you can turn planning into action. Using this tool regularly is going to help you to keep your retirement strategy realistic, measurable, and adaptable as your financial situation changes. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.